Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, man. Today is gonna be a little different today, man. So, got my baby girls here. Say hi.
Hi.
Show them your sweater. Well, it's not about the sweater though, but badass sweater she got on. So let me tell you something, man. I got a free boat, and not just my boat. I'm gonna share with my homeboy George. Little project that we got going on. It's free, man. So I'm here with the girls. First time looking at the boat. What do you think?
We're not helping you clean it.
You're not what?
You're not helping you.
You're not helping to clean the boat. You
No.
clean. They don't know, but they're gonna be cleaning the boat, man.
No, we're not.
So let me show you what we got so far.
We're not. I like.
So what do you think, baby?
I like the seat.
You like the seats?
It's nice. So what made you get? What made you get a boat?
What made it? Well, it was free. They gave it to me.
Free.
That's what made me get it.
Because it's free.
Because it's free, yeah. Well, it's not gonna be free. We're gonna have to put work in it, but it's in good shape. So check this out, man. Little backstory on this boat. We're helping the old lady clean up a property, and she had two boats. One of them really good conditions. She, matter of fact, gave it to my dad, and we were helping her clean out a barn. This one we've been sitting in the barn for 2 or 3 years, not sure. It was running the last time they used it, so it's been just parked inside the barn. She gave it to us, so you know, I call him my boy George. Say hi, George. That's my homie George right there. You know, he's always around, helping me around, and he likes fishing, man. So I'm like, hey, you know what, bro? We got a little project going on. We got a free boat. He hopped on it right away. He got excited, looking for a trailer already. This is my mom's and pop's house. We're over here in Matagordo Bay, and man, today we're cleaning the boat, man. First time my baby girl's looking at the boat, and I guess they're not excited no more. Yeah, nah, but it's gonna be a big project, man. Something different. Man, yeah, look at this color.
Candy red.
We got the candy. I'm a boy. It kind of orange. It's red, baby, but it's.
Red. Yeah, I know, but look at orange on the.
Oh, the camera, yeah, it looks orange on the camera. So we got a little candy red stripe going on. I'm not sure what year is it. I don't know much about boats, man, but you know, y'all can see the before, and hopefully y'all can see the after. Let's see what we can do today, man. But man, it's 38 degrees today. It's kind of cold over here, but I will let you know, man. Let's see what we can do today. So we came to clean up the boat, and the boat's still the same. They're fishing. They're fishing over here. They got crabs. They got a red. Until red. They doing.
We got crab was on there.
Crabs, red. Where's the red? Pull out the red. The red.
Don't step on.
Yeah, no, I see it.
Where's my hand?
Yeah, I'm just waiting for the crab to fucking hook me. God damn.
Fresh red, still moving. He don't know how to grab a red.
No. Yeah, stick your finger all the way up.
You see, Big Daddy is teaching him how to hold the red. You tell him, Daddy.
Ándale.
I'm scared of that crab hooking me.
Look at this.
They're hurt.
They're not cleaning the boat, but they're fishing.
Still not.
So, what's wrong with this picture? Let's get to clean this boat, man. Oh, got fishing gear.
Huh?
Fishing gear.
Yep. Damn. Well, you.
Watch. He's gonna come and say, well, not that it's clean. I'm thinking about keeping the boat. Hey, what's up, y'all? So, man, I'm not gonna lie, it's getting pretty cold over here. It started raining right now. Let me see. Y'all can see the drops on the water. We're gonna call it a day. I'm not gonna be able to finish detailing it, but man, look at the difference. Super clean, man. And this was just with the pressure wash. We haven't even used a brush yet. So again, how long ago was the storage, sir?
The other one, 2 years.
2 years. What about this one?
This one maybe 4 or 5.
4 or 5?
That's it, yeah.
4 or 5 years on a barn. So it was a nice barn. They kept it in the barn, so it was not that bad. It was just dirty. But man, look at the difference. Hello, dope. Ah, look at the candy red. Ah. Fat Pat made me do it. I'm not gonna lie, man. I'm a car guy. I drove boats before, my pop's boats, but I never had a boat. And this is gonna be a nice summer project. Hopefully, we're gonna be fishing next summer. Boy George, excited.
Chewing me, Smalls.
He came to clean the boat and didn't do anything. And then we got El Chalana y El Trabajador, Enrique. So you know, every time if you watch my videos, you already know it's always 3 of us working. So we already got after work, you know, something else we can do. Little project, go fishing. Pow, man. Get in there. Hammer boy. So we just got done eating, man, and right now baby girl's about to go see the difference in between the boat. That way they need to learn, man, like, not because something is ugly means that it doesn't have potential, man. Everything got potential. They just different eyes, man, different eyes. Everybody sees what they want to see. Some people see trash. I see treasures, man. And let's see what they say. Not fully clean yet, but it will be better. Right now we just pressure wash it. We still got to scrub. What happened?
It looks a lot better.
It what?
It looks different.
It looks different?
Yeah.
That's why.
It's clean.
Because it's clean now?
Mm-hmm.
So when it was ugly and dirty, did you like it? Tell the truth.
No.
What about now?
It honestly, I like it.
Oh, so now you like it. But when it was dirty, you didn't like it, huh?
You can see the color more.
Yeah, I know you can see the color. We still gotta scrub the seats and finish cleaning a little bit more. But so far, I know it's not that bad. It's beautiful. What you mean not that bad? So this is gonna be a family project.
It is.
Hopefully next summer, man. We should be good. Are we taking the kids to fishing? Probably not. But are we going fishing when it's ready? Hell yeah. So, homie Enrique and George ready to go fishing. Again, man, the only thing that we did today was pressure wash it. We haven't scrubbed the seats. We haven't scrubbed anything. And it did make a big difference, man. So thank you for watching, man. And I'm trying to get a little bit more videos of this boat every time that we clean. That way I can see the transformation, man. So we picking everything up right now. ¿Qué me preguntó?
Killing me, Smalls.
La jefa, she's hungry. About to check on the meat.
You want to open it, check the meat.
Damn it, boy.
Huh?
It smells really good. Oh, you got salmon on top? Fish? Got fish, fajitas, everything smoked. The bottom ones are ready.
Well,
The ones in the middle need a little bit. They're good.
pescado ya debe estar listo.
Ay, güey.
El pescado es el primero que sale. Yo creo que el pescado
Ya está listo. Ya.
Hoy las fajitas se ven bien bonitas.
La jefa tiene hambre y no nos da de comer.
Yo hice los frijoles. Si no
Oh,
han ido
sí,
esto,
son los
que no
frijoles.
quieren.
Dice la jefa que está cocinando. A ver qué está haciendo. ¿Y si van a estar buenos?
Los hice yo.
Ah,
Y también hice las tortillas de harina.
¿y tortillas de harina? ¿Qué más quieren?
¿Qué más quieren? ¿O quieren de maíz?
So, a little different video today, man. Been blessed with a new boat, free boat. We got family, friends. So, about to enjoy the weekend, man. The girls are somewhere. I don't know where the girls. Supuestamente dicen que están trabajando. We've been here all day, man. I started cleaning the boat 3 hours ago, and in 3 hours, this is all they did. Look, 2 of them. Put 2 screws. I'm a boy. Esos de Home Depot no jalan a veces. Diles algo.
Bye.